In just 4 minutes, I'll show you how to turn a few simple materials into this beautiful cement masterpiece. And the best part? You can make it yourself. First, we need a few simple materials: some PVC pipe, a plastic bucket, cement, sand, and a few basic tools. I'm cutting the PVC pipe into several equal pieces. These pieces will create the beautiful fluted pattern around our planter. Once the pieces are ready, I arrange them tightly around the bucket to form our outer mold. Before adding the cement, I prepare the base and make sure everything is stable and properly positioned. This step is important because a strong mold will give us a much cleaner final result. Now it's time to prepare the cement mixture. I'm combining cement and sand, then gradually adding water while mixing everything together. We want a thick, workable mixture that can hold its shape without being too runny. Now comes the fun part. I start filling the mold with the cement mixture, making sure it reaches all the way around the PVC pieces. I'm pressing and compacting the cement as I go to remove air pockets and make the planter stronger. Once the outer section is filled, I create the opening in the center. Keep adding and compacting the mixture until the top is completely filled and nicely leveled. Take your time here. The better you shape the cement now, the better the finished planter will look. Now we just have to let the cement do its job. After 24 hours, the cement has hardened, and it's finally time to remove the mold. And this is where the magic happens. Look at those beautiful details. The PVC mold has created these clean vertical grooves all around the planter. And here's the finished masterpiece. A simple DIY project made from cement and a few everyday materials.